Firstly, you need to look at the OPEC Coin thread, which is here on bitcointalk.org. You can see there's all the information with regards to OPEC Coin, the exchanges, and the area we're looking at, which is the Windows wallet. So we need to click that. That will take me to Mega Download, or mega.co.nz, where the wallet's stored. And we're going to download that. And now this is going to take some time to process, so I'm going to pause the video. See, that's still downloading now, 48%, pause again. Okay, so now we're at 90%. I just want to mention that this computer has been cleaned of any viruses or malware or spyware, adware, bloatware, vaporware, and any other kind of unwanted software has been removed from it. I'm going to be using it as a safe place to store my coins, and as you can see at the bottom right, I've now clicked Save As. I'm going to save that to my desktop. You can see at the bottom right I also have the Avast and the Microsoft Security Essentials antivirus, and I also use Malwarebytes. And you see I've got a little message here, it's probably a false positive. Let's have a look. So it's not a commonly downloaded file and could harm my machine. Right, okay, well I'm going to click Actions, and really I do want to run this, so I'm going to go for More Options and Run anyway. You can see Avast is scanning, and Avast has not reported anything, and I would assume that it should be safe. It's off the official thread, so always make sure you download off the official thread and the front page only of that, the actual dev's announcement. So you've got a nice loading screen, loading wallet, and there's the wallet, and it's doing its best to connect up now and download transactions from the blockchain, or to download the blockchain, so to speak. So what we need to do is we probably need to edit the configuration file to add more connections and make sure that it is on the correct blockchain. So let's do that. So okay, if we can close Mega, then we can see there's a little notice here on the official thread. I can't say official today for some reason. And we can see that we have these nodes which need to be added, and we're also going to need information for a username and password. This is primarily important for mining, but I won't be mining, I'll just be storing coins in this wallet. So anyway, let's create this conf file. So quickest way to get to that is to type app data %, and we can see there's a folder in here called OPEC Coin. Right click, new text document, double click, file, save as, OPEC Coin.conf, and make sure we choose the drop down as all files and save. So that's going to be my configuration file. The new text document can now go. We can delete that with a right click, delete. Okay, let's paste this in. And also grab this updated. Yeah, we've got the nodes, haven't we? So just want them. Like those at the bottom. Any duplicates? Yes, yes. 3787. No, actually they're all pretty much the same. Sometimes what can happen is you can find that there's more nodes added in the thread if people are having problems downloading the blockchain. So let's go back to page 23. Nobody's really complaining about being able to download the transactions. Oh, there we go, somebody can't sync their wallet, so let's have a look. It's always worth just having a look. Someone's added an additional node there as well for Supernova Pool. I know that to be a legitimate pool, so I'm going to save my configuration file. But before I save it, I need to put in a username, so I'm going to put my username as blue cheese sandwich, and my password is cheesy sandwich exclamation mark 198745 question mark. There we go. That should be quite difficult to hack. Probably not the best password in the world, but give somebody something to think about, wouldn't it? So we can now save this, so we'll save that and close that. That's my configuration file done. Back to the wallet. You can see I've only got one bar there, so I'm going to close this and minimize everything. There's my OPEC coin, it's just off the screen. We can run that again. I know what it is, so you can just run it. Again, discreet but pretty looking loading screen, nothing too complicated. And now you can see straight away there I've got more connections at the bottom right of the wallet. 6 active connections straight away, and I'm sure that'll increase. That should allow me to get the blockchain a lot quicker. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to pause it while it downloads the blockchain, and then we're going to try and do a quick sort of receive from the exchange and just test that that's working. Okay, welcome back. So you can see now that I have excellent connections on the network. I've got a nice big green bar signal at the bottom right. My wallet isn't encrypted. I think it should be. So now it's all become synchronized. I'm going to quickly encrypt it. So let's do that. Now what I actually did what I actually did there was go to settings, and then I went for the encrypt wallet button, and so now it's asked me for a passphrase. I've typed in my passphrase. I'm going to click OK, and it's giving me a warning to say, you know, if I forget my passphrase, then yeah, I'm not going to be able to access my coins. It's told me that they don't match, so I better make sure I'm typing exactly what I think I'm typing. So we'll do yes to that. The old laptop churning away now, trying to encrypt the wallet for me. Yeah, so I need to close the wallet to finish the encryption process, which I've clicked OK to, and that's what it's gone and done. So minimize, back here, run that. And everything's good, and you can see I now have an unlock wallet button, so that's what we want. Okay, I thought it'd be fun to test it by sending some coins to it from the exchange, seeing how quick the transaction takes, how long it takes, how quick it is. So I've logged myself into Bittrex while I've been away, and you can see I've got a small amount. Not worth a great deal at the moment. It's only a couple of days after launch, or a day after launch. So I'd be expecting that to go up in value, and I will be holding those coins there. What I want to do is I want to withdraw some of those funds. So I'm just going to go to my wallet and receive coins. And I can see I've got a wallet address there. I'm going to use that. So Control and C to copy that wallet address, minimize that, back to my exchange, open it up. What I've actually done is I've got an exchange address here, which is for depositing, and my wallet address here. I'm going to put that in for withdrawal, and I would like to see maybe 2,000 coins. And withdraw. And it says, do you want to do this? I'm going to click confirm. It says your withdrawal of 1,999.98 has been submitted, and the chances are it will be asking me now for confirmation by email, so I will have an email link and I'll need to click that, so I'm going to go and do that now. Once I've clicked the link in the email, you will see that it will take you to a withdrawal successful page, so that's good. I can actually close that and close that. They're not needed any longer, but I'll just leave them open for the moment. So my 2,000 should go out of here, so I'm now going to wait until that's confirmed, and the best way for me to do that is to take a look at what's going on down here in the pending withdrawals, and I can see that I've gone ahead and authorised some pending some money to be withdrawn, so it's pending. This is where I need to keep my eye now on my wallet. And very, very shortly I would expect those funds to appear. Okay, so the transaction has just come in. I've just had an incoming transaction. Speech bubble. That will remain unconfirmed for a number of transactions. At the moment it's not being confirmed. We should see that confirmed fairly quickly. Now we've got a bit of movement on the pie chart, 2 out of 4 recommended confirmations, and sure enough that makes it spendable in my wallet. If I wanted to send that anywhere, such as back to the exchange, then I would need to click the unlock wallet button, put in my password, and of course it now has lock wallet at the bottom right. The wallet is now unlocked, and you can see from the symbol there that it is encrypted, but it is currently unlocked, and that's great because I need it to be unlocked for staking. To find out more information about staking, please go to the front page of the thread, and you'll find all the information about staking right here. So 2% per month during the first 10 years. Coins will stake after 10 hours. Confirmation per transaction is 4. Back to transactions, 3 out of the 4 recommended confirmations. That should go through very quickly. And there you go. As easy as that.